Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use YouTube TV on your PC. It's quick, easy, and doesn't require downloading any extra apps. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Google Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox will all work perfectly. Head up to the address bar, type in td.youtube.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner and click on the sign in button. You will need to log in using the Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. If you haven't signed up yet, you can click Try it free to create an account. Now that you're logged in, navigating the platform is simple. At the top of your screen, you'll see three main tabs: Library, Home, and Live. The Home tab shows you personalized recommendations based on what you like to watch. The Live tab acts just like a traditional TV guide, showing you exactly what is broadcasting right now across all your networks. And the Library tab is your unlimited Cloud DVR, where you can find all your recorded shows, movies, and sports. To start watching, just click on any live channel or on-demand show. The video player works exactly like regular YouTube. By clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the player, you can adjust your video quality, turn on closed captions, or manage your audio settings. When you are done watching, simply close your browser tab. If you are on a shared computer, don't forget to sign out first. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.